Whether you're a professional who needs regular PPE often or a do-it-yourself homeowner conducting your seasonal pest control, Nitrile Gloves will protect you from potentially harmful pesticides, chemicals, diseases, and waste material. These single-use gloves come in quantities of 100 and are ambidextrous, creating a universal fit for right-handed or left-handed individuals. They are also heavy-duty with a 5.1 ml density and are textured to give you a dependable grip as you work. The gloves themselves are ready to use with no additional application tools necessary. We recommend you wear additional personal protective equipment or PPE anytime you work with pest control products. Wear these gloves along with protective eyewear, a safety mask, closed-toe shoes, a long-sleeve shirt, and long pants. Before putting on these gloves, we recommend you take off any jewelry like rings or bracelets to prevent tearing. Wash your hands thoroughly and avoid touching any pesticide or product materials until your hands are gloved. Inspect each glove for rips, tears, or other damage before putting them on. Once you're done handling any pesticides or other pest control products, remove the gloves and dispose of them properly. Use nitrile gloves indoors or outdoors when handling any type of pesticide, insecticide, herbicide, fungicide, fertilizer, contaminated items and equipment, or deceased pests. Put on nitrile gloves before conducting any pest control or fertilizer application. Nitrile gloves will protect your hands from solvents or chemicals that may cause a reaction. Solutions Black Industrial Nitrile Gloves are safe to use and harmless to children or pets. Always wear the proper PPE, including gloves, when handling pesticides or pest control products. Always read the label or manual of your selected pesticide, fertilizer, or product thoroughly before application. In some cases, the use of nitrile gloves or other PPE may be required by the label or by law. Solutions Black Industrial Nitrile Gloves offer reliable protection for any professional or DIY homeowner. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Any chemical application requires the proper equipment and safety so you can maintain your health as you improve your home.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.